So this is how you can opt out of Starlink coverage on your iPhone. So first things first, let's get this out of the way. This is not an iPhone feature, it's a network feature. So it was introduced in T-Mobile for iPhones. Then there are also other networks that have joined. However, it's not an iPhone feature, so it doesn't come with the iPhone, but it comes with the network that you are subscribing. So comments like this, where people are now saying, I want to sell my iPhone, etc., might not really be necessary because most phones are now also joining the program. You can watch this video to see how many other networks have actually joined this program. Of course, that being said, you have to have a certain iPhone and a certain iOS for you to actually join the program. However, people will still be skeptical even on phones that apparently do not have this Starlink coverage. So this feature is still in beta testing, so you need to sign up to actually join the program, at least for now. So I do not think you really need to worry if you haven't signed up for the beta. However, this might change as they eventually roll it out to everybody and after the testing. So if your network partner or carrier doesn't have the satellite option under settings, you won't see these options. But if they do have, then you can open Settings app on your iPhone, navigate to cellular or mobile data, select T-Mobile or your carrier's name, then locate the satellite option and then toggle it off. But this will only apply for networks that have the satellite option under settings. If your network doesn't have that option, then we'll have to go to option B. So option B is the straightforward one. You just have to contact your network support. In this case, let's say T-Mobile, you have to contact T-Mobile support and ask to be removed from this program, and eventually you'll be removed. However, this might be a permanent kill switch, which means you might not even have access forever, or you might need to contact them again if you want to be reactivated. So what do you think? Are you also opting out of this Starlink partnership with mobile telecommunication partners? Tell me what you think in the comments down below. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe.